So how can you undo a deleted conversation on iPhone? Let's explain that and let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Anyways, you can open up your Messages app as usual, and let me show you how it would look like. I can literally just swipe right on my message like this and delete it completely, right? And it will not be gone for good because I can go to the filter section in the top right, and I can go to the recently deleted folder. And in there, I can find all of the messages and threads which I have removed. These are going to stay here for 40 days, but I have the ability to either click on Recover All or select the specific chat thread and click on Recover. And this will recover this and bring it back to the main section of my messages. So if I return back to the main, right, you'll be able to see that this is the way to undo the deletion of chat conversation. So at the end of the day, it gets the job done. You can see that if you removed it, you can bring it back. Keep in mind that after, if you leave it there for like a year or so, it will most definitely be deleted and you'll likely not be able to retrieve it back. So make sure to act quick if you want to, undo the deletion, because then it will be permanently deleted. But that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to do it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.